What if you could build a real AI business that pays you $10,000 every single month starting from nothing? In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you the exact 90-day roadmap I used. No fluff, no fake screenshots, no guru nonsense, just a real system that works right now. This is the same blueprint that helped complete beginners quit their jobs using artificial intelligence. Stick around because step 3 is the one most people get completely wrong. Let's get straight into it. Right now, artificial intelligence is creating more millionaires than any technology in human history, and most people are still watching from the sidelines. You do not need coding skills. You do not need a big audience, and you do not need thousands of dollars to start. All you need is the right roadmap and the discipline to follow it for 90 days. I am going to break this down into 3 clear phases: foundation building and scaling. Each phase covers 30 days, and by the end, you will have a real functioning business. Grab a notebook because this roadmap moves fast and every detail matters. Days 1 through 30 are all about foundation, and this is where most people quit too early. Your first job is to pick one specific AI skill instead of trying to learn everything at once. The best beginner skills right now are AI content creation, AI automation, and AI chatbot building. Pick the one that excites you the most because you will be doing this every single day. Next, spend your first 2 weeks getting hands-on. Practice using free tools and real projects. Do not buy expensive courses. Yet almost everything you need to start is available for free online. While you practice, start documenting your journey publicly on one platform like YouTube or LinkedIn. This builds trust before you ever try to sell anything. And trust is what makes people pay you. By day 20, you should have 3 small projects you can actually show to potential clients. These do not need to be perfect, they just need to prove you can deliver real results. Day 25 is when you create your simple one-page offer describing exactly what you do. By day 30, your foundation is done and you are ready to start building your actual offer. Days 31 through 60 are about building an offer people are actually willing to pay for. The biggest mistake here is building something complicated when a simple service sells much faster. A great starting offer is done for you AI content packages for small businesses. Another strong option is AI automation setup, where you save businesses hours of manual work every week. Price your first offer low enough to get fast yes answers, usually between $200 and $500. Your only goal in this phase is landing your first 3 paying clients, no matter how small. Reach out directly through cold email, cold DMs, and local business Facebook groups every single day. Send at least 10 personalized messages daily and track every response in a simple spreadsheet. When someone says yes, over-deliver on your first project, because referrals are your fastest growth engine. Ask every happy client for a testimonial and a referral before the project even officially ends. By day 45, you should have your first client testimonials to use as social proof. Use those testimonials everywhere, on your website, your social posts, and your outreach messages. Around day 50, start raising your prices slightly with every new client you bring on. By day 60, you should have 5 to 8 paying clients and a repeatable sales process. That repeatable process is the exact engine you will use to scale in the final phase. Days 61 through 90 are all about scaling this system into real consistent monthly income. The first step is raising your prices again now that you have proof and testimonials behind you. Move from one-time projects to monthly retainers, so your income becomes predictable every single month. A simple retainer of $500 to $1,000 per client adds up incredibly fast. 10 clients at $1,000 a month is exactly $10,000 in recurring income. Next, start building simple systems and templates, so projects take you less time to deliver. This is where automation tools become your best friend, saving you hours every single week. Use this extra time to focus only on outreach and client relationships. Nothing else matters more. Consider bringing on a virtual assistant once you cross $5,000 a month to free up your time. Keep documenting your journey publicly because your audience becomes your best source of new leads. By day 75, you should be refining, not reinventing your entire business model. Double down on whatever service is bringing in the most revenue and drop everything else. By day 85, most people following this roadmap are sitting between $8,000 and $12,000 a month. That is not luck, that is the direct result of 90 days of focused, consistent action. By day 90, you have a real AI business, not a side hustle business. Let's quickly recap the tools you will need: ChatGPT for content and strategy, Canva for fast professional designs, and Zapier or Make for automation workflows, Notion for organizing clients and projects, and Gumroad or Stripe for getting paid. Every single one of these tools has a free plan that is more than enough to start. You do not need to spend money, you need to take consistent daily action. If you found this valuable, make sure to save this video because you will need it again. Comment the word START below, and I will send you my free 90-day tracker. Subscribe if you want the exact scripts, tools, and templates I use every single week. 90 days from today, you could be living a completely different life, so let's get to work.